Me now waste no time, me I go fi mine. Get rich or die trying. We can satisfy me. A trailer load of money. When I yoke a need. A container load of money. Me now go dead poor. Me want fast cash. Grab the stash. Touch the road. Make money like me print it. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, and good night. Welcome back to another beautiful vlog. It's your girl Nayoka, and this is day 4 of my birthday vlogs. So if you haven't watched my other videos, please go ahead and do so you can catch up on the other days. So basically, I'm on my way to work right now. It's almost 9. It's 8 minutes to 9, and I'm feeling wonderful today. To be honest, doing this vlog, I thought it would have been easier, but it's very hard. To vlog every single day, it's hard. So, but I already made a commitment, and I said I'm gonna do it every single day for the month of June, and that's what I'm gonna do. All right, whether it's hard or not, that's what I'm gonna do. So I hope you guys are enjoying the vlogs. Why does this chair smell so bad? I just have a few words that I wanted to share with you guys. So let me see if I have enough time. Okay, yeah, guys, I have to start the people them work on time. Sometimes in life, when you feel like you're doing too much, sometimes you have to just step back and say, you know what, let me have some me time. Because most of the time, like, we put a lot of people in front of us, and then we end up suffer, and then you look back and you're like, why did I do that? Because a lot of people don't appreciate the things that you do for them. You know what I'm saying? So sometimes you have to just step back and do the things that make you feel happy, and stop trying to please people, because at the end of the day, people are gonna still end up to betray you, and they're gonna still end up doing what they want to do. So it's best that you just try to live your life the best that you can, and just do you. Oh, why are you vlogging for your birthday every day? I'm like, because I want to. Like, not because you don't like it. That doesn't mean that I don't like it. I like to vlog. I like to do YouTube. That's the reason why I set up the account and I did videos, and I have almost 300 videos on YouTube right now, right? Because it's something that I enjoy doing. So not because you don't like something, that doesn't mean that I'm not gonna like it, or because you don't like it, I shouldn't like it either, Guys, I'm gonna chat to you every chance I get, but because I'm at work, I don't want to record, because I'm at work. So I should be leaving work around 9 o'clock today. So when I leave work, I'll see if I can find something entertaining, and then we can take it from there. All right, guys, so I'll check you when I have a chance. All right, so this is what I'm eating for dinner: rice and peas and kingfish with 2 pieces of plantain. Yep. I say the tripod is so big it can't even fit in my bag. I have to like put it to the side, put it over my bag, like that. I can't wait to get my other tripod back. So just reached home from work, and I just remembered that tomorrow is gonna be garbage day. So I have a bunch of garbage here that I need to take out, because I did some little spring cleaning last week, but garbage only comes on a Wednesday, which is tomorrow. So we have to put out the garbage from like Tuesday night, so that in case they come early in the morning, it's already out and they can just grab it quick and fast. So I am gonna take out this bunch of garbage. Look how much stuff I'm throwing away. So those are all the bags that I have right now to take outside. All of those things are like trash from storage room, and some clothes and stuff that I was throwing away, So yeah, I'm gonna bring out all these bags and bring them out, take all of them outside. Look what I even found. This is a microwave. This is the microwave that I have. And I have this microwave for 3 years now. And I'm just storing away the box. Can you believe it? Oh, you might be wondering like why I have so much garbage packed up in the corner there in the house. The reason why I have the garbage there is because the recycled garbage bin that we have outside is not so big. So I just store it in the corner there because it was so much and I don't want to put it outside and then like the raccoon and all those animals now try to dig through the bags and make a mess outside, right? So to just be on the safe side and make it easier, I just store them right there because ain't nobody got time to clean up the mess from animals outside, right? So if the garbage bin is full, I just store it right there. It's not like food is in there. All of those stuff are like recycled stuff or clothes or whatever. So there's no like actual garbage in those bags. It's just recycled stuff. So it's not like there's gonna be any insects gonna go in there anyway because it's just recycles, you know? Yeah. Just in case you have the question why I have so many bags packed up there. That was a workout. I'm just gonna sweep up that little corner, sweep up the little dust, and I'm gonna take a shower. Alright guys, I think this is where I'm gonna end the video tonight. I'm home now. Do not look at my hair, it's a mess. It's been a long day at work and I'm finally home. I'm gonna take a shower and go to my bed to prepare for work tomorrow. And I'm gonna go and edit this video from tonight so that I can post it tomorrow early. Alright guys, I hope you guys are enjoying the vlog so far. Just make sure that you like up the video, then please leave a comment, please. Alright, thank you so much and I'll see you tomorrow in my next video. Alright, bye bye.